Paraben, nitrate and sulfate free. Time release formula helps detangle up to 3 days. Keratin helps strengthen hair and repair split ends. Conditions and hydrates for manageability and shine. Time release formula helps detangle for up to 3 days, safe for color-treated hair, and it is paraben, nitrate, and sulfate-free. Keratin helps strengthen hair and repair split ends. Suitable for all hairs. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. I have fine hair that is always a tangled mess when I get out of the shower. I have tried many different leave-in conditioners and detanglers from expensive to less expensive, and my search is now over. My hairdresser had mentioned this brand, so I figured it was worth a try. I love it. It has made combing my hair out after a shower much less of a hassle. So happy to have found this product.